Hey viewers, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are fine and doing great. In this video, I'm gonna tell you about long boots and knee boots. Long boots are such a cool fashion statement, don't you think? They can really elevate an outfit and make you feel stylish. Knee boots or over knee boots, they can add a touch of glamour to any look. Knee boots for girls are super cute and versatile. They can be dressed up or down, perfect for different occasions. Plus, they keep your legs warm in the colder months. I think knee boots would look fantastic with a cozy sweater dress or a cute skirt and turtleneck combo. You could also rock them with skinny jeans and a stylish blouse for a chic look. So viewers, let's end the video here. I hope you like my video. Please like and subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming video notification from me. Thank you.